Right, let's have a look at 4 part B now. It says use your answer to part A to find the greatest value of this thing here. So we've written this in that form, and now we need to work out when is this the biggest value possible, the greatest value. Okay, so here we've got the equation in question, the thing we're going to consider the greatest value of. We know that that's equal to this thing here, so we can straight away write that as 1 over, so here this thing equals 1 over 4 x minus 1 squared plus 3. Now, this, if you look at this now, what we've got here, this thing here, this is always positive. And 4 times a positive thing, because it's squared, it's always positive, whatever value of x in. 4 times something positive is still positive. So you've got a positive value here, plus 3. So this whole thing's always going to be greater than 3. So this will be greater than 3 because it's underneath, and that's a number greater than 3. The number will be less than a third, won't it? Because this number will be bigger than 3 or equal to 3. Yeah, and so the greatest value occurs value occurs when, well, when this is least. 4 x minus 1 squared plus 3 is least. Here x, let's just put it down, x equals 1. So answer, the greatest value this can attain is when this is least, and this is least when it's 3, add x equals 1. And when x equals 1, this is 0, 4 times 0 squared is 0. 1 over 0 plus 3 is 1 over 3, which is a third. So there's the answer, a third. A few sentence or two just to explain to the reader, the examiner, why that's a third would be helpful, I think, here. But this is showing it in terms of mathematics, isn't it? Okay, good.